The birth of Earth, in this alternate reality, is a story of singularity. The protoplanetary disk, the swirling collection of gas, dust, and icy rock that typically forms the foundation for an entire solar system, is sparse. Earth is the only planet to emerge from this barren disk, an anomaly in the grand design of the universe. The forces that shape a typical solar system, gravitational influences from nearby planets, the clearing of debris, the influence of gas giants, all fail to take place. The result? A lonely Earth, one single, solitary world dancing around its sun in an otherwise empty expanse. In a universe where most planets form in families, Earth defies the norms. Its creation is both miraculous and tragic. Without the stabilizing influence of neighboring planets, Earth's orbit becomes more chaotic. It drifts in isolation, orbiting a sun without a support network of moons, gas giants, or terrestrial siblings. It is as if the entire universe has conspired to place this planet in the center of its own existence. And yet, there is no other life to share it with. Earth, for all its beauty, remains a vulnerable gem, isolated from the rest of the cosmic neighborhood. As Earth forms, the expected solar system does not take shape. The gas giants like Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, which normally exert their massive gravitational pull on the surrounding space, never emerge. Their absence leaves the sun's protoplanetary disk sparse and weak, unable to coalesce into multiple planets. There is a certain eerie quiet to the formation of Earth, unlike the usual energetic dance of planetary collisions. Other than the sun and its lone world, the surrounding space is empty, silent. Without the clearing forces of nearby planets, debris is scattered around the system, but no other planet is created. The solar system remains a barren wasteland, with Earth standing as a lone sentinel in an empty universe. The potential for a multi-planet system simply never materializes. Without Jupiter's protective influence, Earth's early history is one of devastation. Asteroids, comets, and leftover debris from the formation of the solar system remain free to strike Earth's surface. The planet is bombarded by cosmic projectiles of varying sizes, and the atmosphere is filled with ash and smoke. Every impact reshapes the landscape. Mountains rise, volcanoes erupt, and oceans are thrown into turmoil. At one point, the planet's surface may have been a burning inferno, with molten rock flowing across vast stretches of land. The Earth's surface undergoes constant transformation, with new craters, volcanic islands, and rising mountain ranges marking its ever-changing landscape. Yet, from the carnage, life begins to emerge. In the deep, heated oceans, microorganisms evolve, adapting to survive in the extreme conditions. Earth's early inhabitants are extremophiles, life forms that are not just survivors, but thriving against the odds. This early life adapts in ways unimaginable to life as we know it. It learns not to fight against the chaotic, violent forces of nature, but to coexist with them. Life, even in its infancy, is stubborn and resilient, a testament to the will of the planet and its future. There is a powerful absence on Earth, the Moon. Without it, Earth's axis is unstable. The tilt of the planet fluctuates unpredictably. Instead of having 4 stable seasons, Earth experiences wild swings in climate. Imagine summers that last for centuries and winters that descend unexpectedly in the middle of what should be a warm season. The oceans, once stabilizing forces that regulate Earth's temperature, now act as chaotic mirrors, reflecting the planet's own inner turbulence. Without the Moon to control the tides, the very rhythm of the Earth's ocean ecosystems is disrupted. The ecosystems that emerge from this chaos are unique. They are highly adaptable, able to respond to drastic temperature shifts and unexpected environmental changes. Tides are sporadic, and Earth's ecosystems evolve to reflect this irregularity. Sea creatures that depend on regular tidal rhythms must adapt or perish. Life, once again, proves its ability to evolve when the conditions are harsh and unpredictable. The moonless Earth stands as an unforgiving world, but one filled with endless potential for resilience and survival. On this Earth, life finds its foothold in the most unlikely places. The extremophiles, The first microorganisms emerge in the deep-sea vents, where volcanic activity provides both heat and essential minerals. The absence of a protective moon means the Earth's surface is subject to frequent environmental upheavals. Yet life survives in the depths, shielded from the worst of it. The early Earth is a place where only the strongest and most adaptive life forms can survive. Life begins in a strange, fragmented pattern, in isolated pockets of heat, in volcanic regions, and beneath the deep oceans, where the Earth's fiery core provides the necessary energy to sustain life against the backdrop of a harsh, tumultuous surface. In the chaos, life begins to evolve, quickly, ruthlessly, and with an intensity unseen in more stable environments. The harsh conditions of Earth force life to become resilient, as organisms evolve faster, adapt quicker, and push the boundaries of what is possible. On Earth, evolution is not a slow process, but a relentless race against time. Life on this solitary planet must adapt rapidly to survive. It is no longer about becoming the fittest for the long term. It is about survival now. Species evolve not over millennia, but in spurts, responding to the planet's ever-changing environment. The planet's unpredictable tilt and chaotic climate push life forms to their limits. Creatures that cannot adapt quickly are wiped out, while those that do evolve in strange and unexpected ways. Some species develop extraordinary resilience, thriving in environments that would be inhospitable elsewhere. Others evolve specialized traits, such as the ability to withstand extreme cold or heat, or even the capacity to survive in acidic, poisonous environments. These life forms evolve with an intensity that makes them exceptional survivors. Yet, even amidst this chaotic growth, the world remains fragile. Life is always a gamble, a game of chance against a backdrop of cosmic forces far beyond its control. As Earth's climate continues to oscillate, life evolves into increasingly complex organisms. While the universe beyond remains silent, Earth's life becomes a dance of adaptation. The first signs of multi-celled life emerge, though it is no smooth transition. The fittest, the most flexible, survive. Early life forms are not creatures of permanence, but of constant adaptability. New ecosystems form as primitive plants spread across the continents. In this dynamic, volatile environment, these plants do not simply grow, they are shaped by the chaotic nature of the Earth. They must adapt to the extreme conditions, shifting climates, and sudden geological upheavals. Each plant, each creature, must be capable of surviving rapid change, not as a result of some grand plan, but because of necessity. By this point, Earth is not simply a world of survival. It is a living laboratory where life adapts, grows, and fights to hold its place in the face of constant challenges. As humanity emerges in this world, they inherit the same challenges that have defined life on Earth for eons. Their civilizations are not like those in our history, built upon the stability of permanent structures. On Earth, humanity must adapt to a world that is always shifting. They are not bound to the land, but instead, their survival depends on their ability to move with the Earth. Without the moon's stabilizing effect, humanity's relationship with time is radically different. The seasons are unpredictable, the climate ever-changing. Agriculture, as we know it, is an impossibility. Humanity learns to move. Their cities are built with this in mind. They are nomadic, modular, capable of being reconstructed as the climate shifts. Technology evolves not for comfort, but for survival. Every invention is aimed at responding to the rapid changes of the world. Humanity becomes expert at improvisation, and their societal structures are as fluid as the environment they inhabit. There is no permanence, but adaptation is king. The nomadic cities of this Earth are wondrous in their design. They are not fixed in place, but are modular, like giant mobile ecosystems, capable of being disassembled and moved at a moment's notice. Their homes are lightweight, their buildings designed for easy reconfiguration. Agriculture becomes a seasonal affair, not tied to any one location, but adaptable to the changing environment. People harvest crops that grow quickly and easily, and they follow the seasons, moving across the Earth's landscape to gather what they need, as the Earth constantly shifts beneath them. Societies are built on cooperation, not territorial ownership. The absence of permanent structures has created a fluid, adaptable society where survival requires constant mobility. The world of Earth has taught humanity that change is the only constant.